Kuya Limor Migala, shoutout. Sabi ni Kuya RG. You're welcome, host. How are you? I'm good. I am good. Inar. Sis my temple, thank you so much. Can't wait from that. Amigo Joy Migala, shoutout. Amigo, thank you. Salamat sa support. Ingat pag-uwi. Ate Anish D, shoutout. Sabi ni Kuya Limor. Sis Annie B, Migala, shoutout. Thank you. Amigo Joy, chard na ako. Sige, chard ka po, Amigo Joy. Thank you po. Kalingap Ani, shouty. Sabi ni Sir Kabarter Naga. Ayan. Wala pa order po. Ikot-ikot po kayo. Hindi na papasok doon sa loob. Sis Aida, sabi ni Sis Atiani B, Kalana. Kuya Robert, maglaban na ako, dito na ako mukha akong hampas. Sige amigo, salamat. Please join me. Okay na? 4 minutes? Okay. Thank you. 4 minutes. 4 minutes waiting. Bello. Inar, thank you so much for coming. 4 minutes. Then after 4 minutes, I'm going to end my live streaming. Okay, a lot of people here. And have a lot of stuff. Miss Aida Mayong Hap Migala, shout out. Sabi ni Kuya RZV Vlogs. Highlight. Hello guys, magaya na ako. Thank you. You're welcome sis, magaya na po ako. Kunin ko na yung ano. Bro, relax. Thank you so